Hey! Okay, so this is a bit of a random one from me because I don't normally post on this day, but as you can probably tell by the title of the video, I want to do a little celebration and say thank you. So I recently hit 1,000 subs and I am not only mega grateful and mega excited, but I'm also just wanting to say thank you because it would not be able to be happening. Well, no, sorry, it wouldn't be. This is what happens when I get excited. It wouldn't be possible, that's the word I'm looking for, if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you. And I am all about celebrating the wins in life, and to me, this is a win. So with that being said, I would like to do a £30 Amazon gift card from me to you, or to one of you, whoever wins, as a thank you. All you have to do is pop a smiley face emoji in the comments below, and your name, or your username, sorry, will be entered into a random generator online. I'll announce the winner in my next upload. So the next upload will be Sunday 30th of November, 8:30 a.m. UK time. Be there or be square. And yeah, thank you. The giveaway isn't linked with anybody. There's no ties or anything like that. It is a genuine thank you from me to one of you. Like, there's nothing else to it really. So make sure you comment below with a smiley face if you want to be in with a chance to win. I'm really enjoying this journey at the moment, guys, and I really hope my content is resonating with you in some way, shape or form. And if you do have any ideas for the type of content that you'd like to see going forwards, then please let me know. My ears are always open and willing to listen as to what you guys may suggest. So genuinely, thank you so much. Like, I'm so excited, and I shall see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.